I'm Amy Cherry. This local news is a service of Flagler County's Toyota dealer, Beaver Toyota, here to wow ya. Is Florida in for a second wave of COVID-19 infections? As we hear from John Arking, local health officials say recent numbers are a reason for concern.
Flagler Medical Director Dr. Stephen Bickle says the spread rate of COVID-19 locally has increased in the last 3 weeks from 0.8 to 1.0.
That means that we've gone from diminishing the numbers to kind of leveling off of these numbers. And we're just starting to open up. So people don't realize this opening up, that we've gone through historic social restrictions. This lockdown is unprecedented. And now we're coming out of it. This is a very contagious virus. And it's just kind of expected. It works with a lag. It takes a while for these numbers to really grow. But it's out there waiting.
Bickle says he's very concerned, and what needs to be done at the county level is to be as aggressive as possible with measures like social distancing and wearing masks in order to keep the virus in check. From the WNZF Newsroom, I'm John Arkin.
If you're in need of masks, the county can help with that. Tony Magoo has the details.
Flagler County Health Officer Bob Snyder has just received a truckload of facial masks.
The Department of Health received 67,000 cloth masks, facial coverings last week. We want to get all 67,000 distributed out there to you in the community. If you know of an organization or a group that is in need of masks and facial coverings, you call me directly at 313-7105.
Bob, the great thing is this is cost effective, isn't it?
This is the most inexpensive, most effective, non-intrusive sacrifice that we can make on behalf of ourselves and especially our loved ones, the people that we care about.
That number again is 313-7105, and Bob will be happy to provide you with cloth masks to wear in public.
Mask wearing, I have 67,000 that we need to give to you. Please call me.
For Flagler's Morning News, I'm Tony Magoo.
Flagler County deputies recover a stolen U-Haul. They say the truck was spotted heading north on US 1 from Volusia County Tuesday. Deputies pulled the truck over in a parking lot on the 400 block of County Road 304. Inside it, they found Stephen Curtis of Ormond Beach and a passenger. Police say Curtis was driving without a license and even told deputies there was meth and other drug paraphernalia in the truck. He faces charges of grand theft of a motor vehicle, drug possession, and driving while suspended. He's being held on $7,000 bond. The truck was towed back to its owner. Flagler County Sheriff Rick Staley will take over as chairman of the Public Safety Coordinating Council, replacing County Commissioner Joe Mullins.
Under my leadership, we will focus on the statutorily required components of the council, which predominantly is jail, crowding plans, mental health in the community, and if the county is receiving certain grants, a public safety plan.
Mullins says he's stepping down to focus his efforts in other areas, including the opioid task force. Other members on the council include judges, attorneys, and the Bunnell police chief.
What's the most likely thing to kill you during a hurricane?
Is it flying debris? No, you know to move those things and yourself to safety, so that doesn't happen. Flagler County Emergency Manager Jonathan Lord says the most likely thing to kill you during a hurricane is the water.
Even in devastating hurricanes, like Hurricane Andrew, which reset how emergency management and how hurricane evacuations work for the entire country, it is truly because of the storm surge coming in. Undoubtedly, water kills.
Lord said that since Andrew, there have been few deaths from damage that the wind caused. Listen to the entire interview when you download the Flagler Radio app. Then you go to the Free for All Friday podcast, where you'll hear Flagler County Emergency Manager Jonathan Lord talk about what to buy and what not to buy ahead of a hurricane. From the WNZF Newsroom, I'm Deb Albertson.
And now you're up to date on Flagler's Morning News. I'm Amy Cherry.